guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I have a 1969 Chevy Camaro up for sale today. We're gonna go over the good, the bad, and the ugly if there's any, so you know exactly what you get before it shows up at your doorstep. We sell classic cars every single day. We get new cars in every week. If you're interested in classic cars and like our page, please subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button. This way you can see all of our new inventory, just like that Camaro over there, and that's coming up. Hit that subscribe button. This is a 69. We're gonna call this one an SS Tribute. I'll show a picture of the buck tag. I don't believe it's a true SS. It's got a 350 under the hood, which I don't think the SS even came with a 350. Nonetheless, it is a 69, one of the most desirable Camaros around. Bought this out of a collection of cars down in Georgia. This was one of them. It's a Southern car. Definitely driver quality, just to give you an idea of an overall aspect of the car. It has paint work that's been done, previous body work, but floors are in pretty good condition, interior's in good condition. It's a solid looker, but it's not a perfect car by any means. We'll start off on this passenger side fender. As you can see here, it's had previous body work here. You can see a little wave in the paint right there. Rest of the fender's in good shape. No scratches, no nicks. The gap on the door is a little bit wider down bottom. This door, you can see a little bit of body work here that's been done to it around this handle. Rest of the door is good. Line is pretty straight. See how it closes. Oh, it's locked. We'll do the open test when we unlock it. Roof's in good condition. I don't see any body work on the roof that was done. It's finished in like a flake white. You can see a little metallic in it. I like the paint color. Rear quarter. A little pin here. Little chip here. This looks good. I don't see any body work here on this quarter. Tire definitely has wear in the back. Let's see that front tire. Front tire's good. So somebody's been having fun with this car. Back tires definitely has wear compared to the front tire with not much wear at all. Over here, it looks like you got a little bit of body work that was done here. Bumper's in good shape. I like this stripe. I think the stripe really makes the car look good. So the trunk is much wider on the right side. The left side sits nice. As you can see, it's got a nice gap on this side. And if you're trying to win trophies with this car, this is not the car for you. But if you want a solid driver that looks good, this is probably the car for you. Over here, you got a little bit of body work that was done to it right here. I would say right in this area. Looks like it's had some body work done there. Rear quarter down low looks good. I don't see anything. Little chip here. This tire is good, so it's just that one on that side that's got the wear. It's got the rallies on it. They're in good shape. You got a nice dip here, a little wave here, as you can see. And again, white and black, it's hard colors to disguise body work that was done. This line is not the best. You could tell this door had some work done to it. Right in here, but it looks good. See, from here. For the price point of this car, it's a really good deal. It being a solid driver, it looking good, it being a 69. Where we're selling it at, they're hard to find, hard to buy. This tire's in good shape. Going to the front of the vehicle, the hood sits really good on this right hand side. On the left hand side, it gets a little tight up front, as you can see here. Bumper's in decent condition. Again, nice solid driving condition car. We'll take a look at the undercarriage. All right, taking a look underneath the car. All this is solid. Get a light in here for you. It appears it was undercoated at some point. Again, not perfect, but I don't see any visible rust. It's definitely had previous repairs on the floors. I would say this would be a good car for somebody that wants a Camaro that's not able to buy a showroom one and spend, you know, 50, 60,000. For the price point on this one, it's a solid driver. You can see right here, it looks like that was replaced or repaired. So it's a car that's had some repairs over time, bodywork wise. Just so you know what you're getting. You're not getting a showroom car, that's for sure. But I like cars like this. I enjoy cars that I can drive. I do have nice cars, and I don't drive them much. This is a car you can drive and enjoy. If you know what I mean. Let's pop open the trunk, look in the trunk real quick, and then under the hood, and then we'll look on the inside. Got this nice mat here. Got a little moisture in here, but all this is solid. Guessing the trunk is leaking. The car is stored outside right now at our lot. $350. It looks nice. Edelbrock intake. Looks like a 4-barrel car. Power steering, power brakes. There's your buck tag for all you decoders out there. Looks like it's a 1243 car. Take a look at the inside. Door panel in good shape, seats in good shape, rear seats in good shape, headliners in good shape, steering wheel is decent, it's not broken up or anything. Other chair's good. We'll open the door on the other side in a minute. Dash pad's good. Windshield, no cracks. Not bad. Got some extra gauges here, and we also got a radio there. Looks like it's an original AC car. We don't have AC in it. This is showing AC right there. Engine sounds good, it's idling right. Sounds real good. Horn does not work. Let's check the turn signals. Left is working. Right one's working. Lights are on, they're turning on, everything works as far as lights and turn signals. Oil pressure's working, and temperature gauge looks like it's working. 51,942 miles is what it's showing. We got a half a tank. We'll keep an eye on that and see how that goes. Let's open this other door because we did not do that. Okay, so this one's light, doesn't close great. Let's try medium. Medium close as well. Door's a little higher at the top, as you can see, but overall a nice solid driving car. Let's go for a drive.
He's using our parking lot.
All right guys, going for a quick test drive. How's the brakes feel?
Works really well. Shift's good too. Handles the road well.
Sounds good.
It does. Again, going 70 and coming to almost a complete stop.
I would say this is a solid driver, guys.
I would too.
If you're interested, go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Appreciate you checking out our page, checking out our videos. If you like this, please subscribe. You'll see all of our classic cars in as we get them.
So also, fuel gauge seems to work. The odometer works, the mileage and the speed. Oil pressure is working.
Temperature sensor also went up because it was
and then the battery, I'm sure if I turn the car off, it'll drop, and then
so gauges are working.
Gauges are working. And then when we get back, we can do a.
I've already checked it. Yeah.
Okay.
We could test the heat too, see if the heat turns on.
Sure.
We don't even have a thing here.
Fan.
Maybe not. See if the fan kicks on. Fan does. Yeah.
I feel it. Yeah.
Yeah. Heat's working. It's coming out slightly. There you guys go. If you're interested, please give us a call, 215-801-9493. Talk to you later.